Hi Chloe, I'm going to show you how to add a gadget to your blogger. What you need to do is, I have a 3-column layout. That's what I did through Artisteer, and I'll get to that a little later. In order to, it looks like your biggest problem though was adding images to your gadgets. So what you need to do is add a gadget. So just click on the add a gadget link, and you can click on wherever you want the link to the gadget to show up. And then you'll scroll through your list here. As you can see, I have some that have already been added. Those are just ones that I like. I also use the HTML JavaScript sometimes if I have something floating down the page, or a third-party code such as the network blogs. You need to use this for that particular code. But for adding buttons, blog links, anything else that you want to add, I generally just use the text box here. You just click on the little plus sign here, and it'll pop up this window. You give it a title, any title you want, and then you add in your content, and then you click save. But what I'm going to show you here is how to add a blinky to your boxes. So I'm going to close this here, and I'm going to click on this one right here. And this is the main page, so you give it whatever title you want to give it to, and then this shows the finished product. Now I'm going to click on this edit HTML link, and this brings up the fancy smancy HTML code. And basically all you need to worry about is from here to here. This outlines the code in order to get it to center. So to do it from scratch, you would have the arrow, center, close it up, and then your image will go inside here. And anytime you do HTML, you have to have an open and a close. And in order to put in your image, you just put in your image URL code, which is this bit right here, which is where I have it saved. So you would just get your HTML code or your URL code, copy it in, and then close it up, and then click on center, or type in center, sorry, and then you're all done. And click save, and I'm going to show it to you here. So I'm going to refresh my page. And once it comes up, once it refreshes, you'll see that the new blinky is there, but it's not linked. Now if you look here, this one's linked, this one's not. Linked, not linked. And in order to get it to link, I'm just going to highlight that just to show you. And then you go back to wherever you want it. Make sure you click on this or highlight it just like that. So you just right click on that, or left click on that to highlight it, and then click on the create link button, and then you would just copy your URL that you want to link that to. Click save, refresh your page, and then it'll show up. And of course I don't want that button to link to my blog, so I'm going to go back and remove it. But you can see how I got those to link just fine. And that's pretty much how you would get the buttons to link. And I'm going to clean that out because I don't like the extra spaces. And you pretty much do that with any of the gadgets you want to add. So if you want to add your license information, again, you would just click on the text, add a text, and then give it a title and input your text like this, and then click save, and you're done. And then some of these are standard, just add them in, and then you don't have to do anything. So if you have any questions about that, just let me know. Oh, and also one of the biggest things you want to do is you always want to save the arrangement, because sometimes if you add things in, it doesn't necessarily save it. So before you finish up, make sure it's how you want it to look. Click save arrangement, and then you can view it, and it'll be set up just the way you want it to set up. I hope that helped. Thanks, Chloe. Bye.